Hey, what's up everybody? Kelly here at Handy Paisa. In this little short, I want to show you how I am going to modify this 4x4 centipede. When I bought it, I was not thinking about how small my workshop was going to be. So today I'm going to make it into a 2x2 by removing 3 of the legs. And I tried using a drill to try and remove the rivet and did not get anywhere, so I opted to use my Dremel to shave the rivet off. So let me show you how I'm doing it and modifying this Bora Centipede to make it more manageable. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some small nuts and bolts to go through to attach it if I need to make it bigger. As you can see here, I had already removed this one off by shaving off the rivet part. And here you have the piece, so you just take that off and then you'll be able to use a nut and bolt later on if you need to add the legs back on. Once you shave enough off, it just pops right off. So very cool, and you'll be able to have the pieces ready to go if you need to assemble it back to make it into a larger centipede base. There you have it. So now I've got this 3 legs that I could attach if I needed to make it into a 4x4. And now I have my 2x2 that fits much better in my smaller workshop. I call that a win. Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. If somebody wants to modify their centipede, show them how to do it. Thanks for watching. See you later.